Meet John the architect. He wants to tell people all about his new architect business. Giuseppe loves to make people laugh and wants to tell people where to come to see his shows. Jean-Luc is the best cook in town and he wants to tell people how to get to his restaurant. Meet Michael and Jane. Michael thinks maybe they need a video explainer, so Jane phones a friend to see if he can help. Meet Tom. He searches the internet and finds Maria. He thinks she'd be just great at the job. Maria makes video explainer animations. And she also does the voiceovers. And if they need help, Maria will write the video explainer script. For people all over the world.